This is my 10/8/2024 market daily buys for London session. Today, it's probably not gonna be no trade taken just because of how market is looking. Market just did a daily CRT low, got taken out, and this might be the middle placing. Or this will definitely push back down, but the 50% mark of the CRT got hit already. But that's not the point. The point is the 4 hour, right? Because we're trading intraday. The 4 hour drone liquidity right now at the moment is bullish, right? Market took out a size liquidity, neutral liquidity over here and here, and where the market bias is bullish, we're conservative here, bullish, never broke, back down. And with that, what else do we have here in the hourly time frame? Hourly time frame, as I said, man, this is probably the reason why we're not gonna get no setup this session. I mean, unless this candle closes bullish, other one closes bearish, other one closes take out liquidity, they could probably have an hourly setup, but when probably have a trade and hope for the best. But today my main goal is to follow all my rules and to take the Model 1 trade entry, since I changed my way of doing my execution now. I went from unicorn model to Model 1. The reason I went to Model 1 is just because of the RR, right? Although it might sound like I'm greedy, but RRs are way better than technicals, right? This is because I know, like, I don't want to be aiming for like 4 RR, 3 RR, right? But RRs are way better than technicals. I want to be going for that. I'm gonna experience way more losses, right? Since I just backtested as well. I do experience loss, but the way I could avoid a lot of losses is by simply applying the same thing as a unicorn model, where a low has to get taken out with a higher time frame key level, right? So a hourly super liquidity. And throughout this backtesting, I'm gonna see on fair value gaps, because I backtested fair value gaps, and I actually, when I backed my fair value gaps, I did get a setup. Okay, so fair values are good, right? But auto blocks, none of that. I'm not gonna do it, because what a Model 1 requires is a high time frame purge of liquidity, right? So it requires a soup and super liquidity, or a fair value get touched, right? With that, it needs to take out liquidity, right? That's the point. It needs to take out liquidity and fill orders. And auto block, breakout block does not offer that in a higher time frame as a main bias, as a main way to use as our confluence. So I'm going to avoid that. But my main goal is going to be today follow that. I'm going to experience a lot more losses, but I'm more sure in check. I'm going to handle all the losses, since I'm expected to lose a trade today. If I do get a trade, it's less likely, but New York session should give us some more, better movement. We're currently in a range right now, which is not very nice. We're in a range since we're still in the Monday range, right? Monday tech profit has not suddenly got hit, but now we got another one. Now we got another Monday model, right? Which the 50% have already got met, but we're still in a huge range. So I want to see price explode. But we got this Thursday there's CPI, so I gotta be careful. I'm not gonna trade Thursday, not gonna trade Friday. I'm not gonna trade London session, but New York session I'll definitely be trading. But London session I won't be. But all I'm looking forward to for entry for today is the hourly confluence. So let's just a liquidity. This should not be getting hit. This is NFP's low. So CPI should make out the NFP low. But yeah, I want to see, it could either price New York should be the price movement, but or market goes here, take out this low and goes back up higher. Or market goes up right now, take it as this high, and it goes right back down, right? Which is less likely to happen. But this is my market daily bias. I am bullish for the day. 4 hour bias is bullish, 4 hour keys bullish. The 1 hour bias at the moment is bearish, right? So we're looking for a 15 minute 15 minute model 1. But for the 15-minute time frame, I don't gotta look for the low. So if I just see the confluence there and that being a low, all I gotta do is just for that. Yes, right. Yeah, so for the 15-minute time frame, when it's a successful liquidity here, right, in the 15-minute time frame, and over here there's no lows, but over here there are lows, right? Over here there's not low, so I could just use this as our stab in the, you know, recent low, which is here, and the higher time frame key level. Right, so market will stab into this, then go up higher from here. So yeah, that's all I'm looking at. And yeah, so for 15-minute time frame, I don't have to look for a low, high, then sap the low, right, to making a lower low. I don't have to look for that for 15-minute time frame, but for 5-minute, I definitely do. And that low, high, lower, low, you know, right now in bullish scenario, cannot extend over like 30 minutes, right? It can't be too long, right? It can't be too long of a, you know, taking out the low. So let's take out the low, bounce back up, right? If it doesn't, then I'm just gonna look for another low. Yeah, because I backtested it and, you know, it got stopped out because of that. Thanks for watching.